Have you ever wondered why kangaroos hop instead of walk? This question often piques the curiosity of many. Well, let's hop right into it, shall we? Kangaroos are fascinating creatures indigenous to the vast landscapes of Australia, known for their unique mode of transportation, hopping. But why is that so? Kangaroos have evolved to be efficient travelers, and hopping is their secret. It's not just a whimsical trait, it's a marvel of nature's engineering. When kangaroos hop, they use less energy than running mammals of similar size. This is because the tendons in their large hind legs store energy, effectively acting like springs. This energy-efficient mode of travel allows them to cover large distances in the harsh Australian outback without tiring. Their powerful legs aren't just for show. They're built for speed, strength, and survival, embodying the harsh yet beautiful realities of life in the wild. So kangaroos hop because it's essentially their version of a fuel-efficient car. It gets them where they need to go quickly and without wasting energy. But have you ever stopped to observe the social side of these fascinating creatures? Kangaroos, like many other animals, live in groups. These groups, known as mobs, can range in size from a few individuals to over 100. The social structure of a mob is complex and intriguing, with each kangaroo playing a distinct role. The dominant male, often the largest and strongest, leads the mob. He asserts his dominance through physical displays, such as standing tall and thumping his chest, as well as through vocalizations. Other males in the mob respect the dominant male's authority, often stepping aside when he approaches. Females, on the other hand, have a more subtle role in the mob's social dynamics. They are often observed grooming each other, a behavior that strengthens social bonds and promotes group cohesion. Communication among kangaroos is not just limited to the physical. Kangaroos use a variety of vocalizations to communicate with each other. From grunts and clicks to hisses and coughs, each sound carries a specific meaning. They also use body movements such as scratching, pawing, and head bobbing to convey messages to their peers. When it comes to threats, kangaroos have a unique way of handling them. They are known for their boxing behavior. Yes, you heard that right, boxing. When a kangaroo feels threatened, it will stand on its tail and use its powerful hind legs to deliver powerful kicks to its opponent. This behavior is not just reserved for predators, but is also used in disputes within the mob, particularly among males vying for dominance. Kangaroos are not just about boxing and dominance, though. They are also known to exhibit cooperative behaviors, such as sharing food and water resources and taking turns keeping watch for predators. Their social dynamics are a fascinating blend of cooperation and competition, all aimed at survival in the wild. But what happens when kangaroos encounter other animals, like dogs? Well, kangaroos have a natural wariness of unfamiliar creatures. They may perceive dogs as predators and feel threatened. When this happens, kangaroos don't shy away. They take a defensive stance, leaning back on their robust tails to free up their powerful hind legs. A kangaroo's kick can be quite formidable, you know. So dogs would do well to tread carefully around these marsupials. While kangaroos are generally peaceful creatures, they're not afraid to stand their ground when threatened. So what have we learned about kangaroo behavior? We've discovered that their distinctive hopping locomotion is just the tip of the iceberg. Beneath the surface, kangaroos maintain complex social dynamics, forming bonds and hierarchies within their mobs. Not only do they interact intriguingly amongst themselves, but their encounters with other animals, such as dogs, reveal fascinating aspects of their behavior. Understanding kangaroo behavior helps us appreciate these unique animals even more, reminding us of the wonder and diversity of the animal kingdom.